Today, going to discover how to save money fast without cutting everything that makes life enjoyable. And if you stay till the end, one simple mindset shift could literally change how you handle money forever. Don't click away, because what you're about to hear is practical, realistic, and designed for real life, not those unrealistic tips that only work on paper. Saving money fast isn't about being cheap, it's about being smart. Most people don't have a spending problem, they have an awareness problem. Money leaks out in small amounts that don't feel dangerous in the moment, but over time, they destroy your savings. Smart savers focus on value, how long something lasts, how often it's used, and whether it replaces other expenses. This mindset alone separates people who struggle financially from those who grow steadily. Here's something most people never talk about. Convenience is expensive. The more convenient your life, the more you pay for it. Fast food, ride apps, delivery services, and last-minute purchases all cost extra. You don't need to eliminate convenience. You just need to reduce how often you rely on it. Even replacing a few convenience-based decisions per week can lead to fast savings. One of the biggest reasons people fail to save money is because they try to change everything at once. That never works. Your brain resists extreme changes. Instead, focus on one category at a time. 1 week, focus on food. Next week, focus on subscriptions. The week after that, focus on transport. Most people save what's left after spending, which is usually nothing. You don't need to become extreme or boring to build savings. You just need to become intentional. Intentional with choices. Intentional with habits. Intentional with systems. Now imagine this. A few months from now, your account balance is growing, not shrinking. You're not stressed when unexpected expenses show up. You feel calm, confident, and in control. That's the real reward of saving money fast. Before we wrap up, remember this. Saving money fast isn't about what you give up. It's about what you gain: freedom, options, and security. And once you experience that, you'll never want to go back. If you found this helpful and want to learn more realistic, practical money strategies that actually work in real life, visit the channel and watch the next video, where we break down smart money habits that build wealth without stress. Take action today. Start small, stay consistent, and let your money finally work for you instead of against you.